Welcome! In front of me I have SKAGEN Falster Gen 6 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. To change the straps or the wristband on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones. To do it, flip your watch around and at the back of your watch you will see that on each strap you have this basically pin you can pull. And to release the straps, basically we need to pull on the pin, pull it towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on it, it will release the strap and you can take it out. The way the mechanism works is basically if you pull on the pin, it retracts and then it releases the strap from the hole right here on the watch. Let's do the same for the second strap, like this. And here we have our watch and our straps. And once you get the new straps and you want to put them back on, it's quite simple. You simply take the strap, take the end farther from the pin right here on the top, you put it in the hole on the watch, like this. Then you pull on the pin, align the other part with the hole on the watch and release the pin and it will lock. Let's do the same for this part, or rather this strap. So instead this side, pull on the pin, align it and release, and it's gonna lock on like this. Quite simple. And that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.